This week I'm testing the Hyundai Venue. It's a 5-seater little SUV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly BabyDrive features. Number 1 is the media system in the Hyundai Venue. It's really nice, simple and easy to use, and it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Number 2 is a little reminder you get if you're stopped at a junction and the car in front of you starts to move away and you don't notice. It's really great, especially when it's easy to be distracted when you've got kids in the car. Number 3 is the effort that the designers have gone to, not only with the exterior of the Venue but the interior too. With the nice two-tone dash, the piping and the denim seats, it's really nice to see in a small 5-seater family SUV of this price. I have loved driving the Hyundai Venue with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.